Today, we're going to be talking about a unique and fascinating plant, the blue butterfly flower, also known by its Latin name, Clitoria ternatea. I'll let you look at this picture and figure out how it got that name. It grows on a vine in Southeast Asia, and it's pretty cool because it adds nitrogen to the soil, enhancing the soil quality and essentially leaving the soil better than we found it, which is always what we'd like to do, right? It's very robust, and it doesn't require any synthetic chemical fertilizers or pesticides. In Ayurveda, blue butterfly flower is considered a sacred healing plant, and it's used to symbolize the perfect attachment to the divine. It was frequently grown in temples and used in Hindu rituals for the worship of the goddess Durga and the Lord Shiva. Its blue color was known as Krishna light and said to be created under Krishna consciousness. And it's grown in home gardens all around Southeast Asia and said to give these homes an aura of invincibility. It was traditionally used in Ayurveda and TCM to improve brain function, memory, and concentration, but also to treat anxiety, depression, and stress-related disorders, and promote circulation, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain. The two main kinds of antioxidants found in blue butterfly flower are the blue pigments, proanthocyanidin and anthocyanin. These are able to stimulate collagen and elastin production by activating certain signaling pathways in the skin cells. They also help to slow down the breakdown of existing collagen and elastin in the skin by inhibiting the enzymes that are there to break down the collagen and elastin. So it's perfect really because you're making more and you're breaking down what you have there at a slower pace. So that's going to mean beautiful glowing skin. Now, if you're not familiar with what collagen and elastin do, collagen provides strength and structure to the skin, while elastin allows it to stretch and bounce back into place. Collagen and elastin decrease as we age, so you're going to have, as you age naturally, some wrinkles and sagging of the skin. But if we can keep our collagen and elastin levels as healthy as possible, that's going to be really, really good news. Now, to understand the other big beauty benefit of blue butterfly flower, I'm going to have to give you a little bit of background information on something called glycation. Glycation is a process that occurs in the body when sugar molecules in the bloodstream bind to proteins, lipids, and other molecules in the body, leading to the formation of what are called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. This process actually contributes to various different health issues, from diabetes to cardiovascular disease and skin aging. Now, research has shown that proanthocyanidins and anthocyanins found in blue butterfly can help to inhibit the glycation process and reduce the formation of advanced glycation end products. In fact, in one study that was published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, they found that blue butterfly flower extract was able to inhibit the formation of AGEs by up to 98% in vitro, and was also able to inhibit the production of various different reactive oxygen species that contribute to glycation and oxidative stress. But blue butterfly delivers on more than just beauty and anti-aging. It also has been shown in human studies to improve glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. In this study shown here from the BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine Journal, they found that it improved postprandial glucose and insulin. Basically, this means that it helps your body return blood sugar to its normal level more quickly after eating. It's also shown positive results when taken by diabetic animals and humans. Now, don't forget, in Ayurveda, blue butterfly was also revered as an elite brain tonic. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter that's important for memory, learning, and other cognitive functions. And it controls muscle movement, pain sensation, regulation of the endocrine system, and your REM sleep cycles, which is your dream sleep, which is very important for your emotional health. A decrease in acetylcholine levels is associated with things like cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. But the good news is that some animal studies have shown that blue butterfly flower extracts contain compounds that can enhance acetylcholine production in the brain and improve cognitive function. Now that I've gotten you all excited about blue butterfly, you're probably going to be thinking, okay, well, how do I start taking it? Now, there's a lot of ways that you can get blue butterfly. There's a lot of different products out there, but there's a few important things to keep in mind. Most of them are going to be made by taking the flowers and either sun drying or oven drying them. Of course, this is not great because it's probably introducing too much heat and it can damage some of the heat sensitive compounds that you have in there, some of the enzymes, for example. And this method of drying takes it down to about 10% moisture levels. The problem is this can still leave open a window for yeast growth, mold growth, and some microbial contamination. And after that, they usually go through a mechanical grinding process, which introduces more heat again and is very rough and can be detrimental to the molecular structure of the flower. Now, the way we do it here at Addictive Wellness, as you can imagine, we have our own special way that we like to do things. With blue butterfly flowers, first, after they're harvested, they undergo aqueous ozone treatment. So this helps to kill off any bad bacteria or microbes that might be on there without harming the integrity of the flowers themselves. And there's some indications that this may even enhance the flower's antioxidant potential. Then, instead of oven drying or sun drying, they undergo freeze drying, which uses cold temperatures instead of heat and takes it down all the way to 3% moisture content. And this is, again, without any heat. And then instead of the mechanical grinding that would be done in most preparations, this instead flies around the inside of a chamber in a vortex as it freeze dries, which makes it into a powder while preserving its cellular integrity. So I would love for you to experience this. Another cool thing about it is you can just add it to water, you can add it to just about anything, and it has almost no flavor to it. It says very mild flavor. I would compare it almost like to a mild green tea. And so you can add it to your oatmeal, you could put it in a smoothie, you can add it to hot water or cold water. There's almost an infinite number of ways that you could do it. Traditionally in Thailand, it's very commonly done with rice. You get these amazing dishes with this vibrant blue rice, and it's just one of the coolest things that you've ever seen. And we, of course, have lots of recipes on our channel here that you could check out. And I hope you will find inspiration in one of these, because this is such a great herb to incorporate into your life. Now, if you've tried blue butterfly flower before, let me know down in the comments what your experience has been like. And let me know where you're watching from. I'm curious to know where in the world you guys are. And if you haven't tried it yet, but are excited to try it, I also want to hear, of all these different benefits that we've talked about, which is the one that gets you the most excited. Now, before you go, here's a link to a video that I think you'd enjoy watching next, and here's one the YouTube algorithm thinks you'd enjoy. And there's a link to our website if you want to give blue butterfly a try. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you all again next time.